In 2001, we started our operations in Eskişehir Baksan industrial site with a team of 7 people and an area of 500 square meters. Embracing a strategy of rapid and stable growth, we planned new investments for the Eskişehir Organized Industrial Zone to expand our brands into the national market. We began operating in a space of 5,000 square meters indoors and 18,500 square meters outdoors. Today, we have upgraded our machinery in line with current technology, expanded our factory to 18,500 square meters outdoors and 9,000 square meters indoors, and provided employment for 100 people. By investing in different sectors and fields, we have created internationally recognized brands. With the Hedlab brand, we have delivered turnkey research and education laboratories for hospitals, universities, and private institutions. Under the Hedmob brand, we have accomplished numerous successful projects in custom furniture design. Under the Durusilya Furniture brand, we sell packaged furniture both domestically and internationally. With an annual production capacity reaching up to 550,000 units, we manufacture products such as kitchen and bathroom cabinets, TV units, pantry cabinets, and TV stands. And with the SC Design and SC Door brands, we also engage in packaged furniture production and sales, both domestically and internationally. Our factory integrates production lines for furniture, sheet metal processing, metal profile processing, and painting. We are fully compliant with and certified for ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, CE, EN, SEDEX quality management systems. Furthermore, in 2014, our products, which were the first to be exported from Turkey, contributed to Turkey's exports, earning us the Export Stars Award and reaffirming our commitment to quality. We take pride in the success of our company.